What describes the relationship between the particle's random motions and the bulk property of the material? The correct answer is C, kinetic theory. There are 4 beakers on a lab table. Each beaker contains 50 ml of water. The temperature of the water in each beaker is shown in the answers. Which beaker contains water molecules with the highest average kinetic energy? The correct answer is, of course, D, because the higher temperature, the faster moving particles. A bowl of hot soup is left on a kitchen counter for several hours. At which state will the soup bowl and the surrounding air be? The correct answer is C, thermal equilibrium. Which is not a way that thermal energy can be transferred? The correct answer, of course, is C, because the 3 known methods of heat transfer are conduction, convection, radiation. But irradiation refers to being exposed to radiation. What is the device shown used for? Of course, it's used for measuring thermal energy changes. What is the slope of the line between A and B? The line represents the specific heat of ice. And specific heat of ice is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of ice by 1 degree Celsius. What is the amount of thermal energy needed to melt 1 kilogram of a substance cold? Of course, it's called heat of fusion. What is the energy from an engine that is released into the environment cold? The correct answer is C, waste heat. The second law of thermodynamics states that in an uncontrolled system, whenever there is an opportunity for energy dispersal, the energy always spreads out towards a more of course, more stable state. What are the units for entropy? The correct answer is C. And entropy is the measure of disorder, and it equals to the heat exchange with the system divided by the absolute temperature of the system.